want me to greet our next speaker, Mr. Yerlan.
Thank you, Mr. Toastmaster. Hello, dear friends. Recently, I went to Tajikistan. Not so fancy destination as one might think, but I was amazed by my discoveries there. So today, I want to share with you my observations and impressions. Did you know that the word Tajik comes from the Kazakh word Taj, which means crown? So that was, for me, it was a shock number one. So the Tajik means the person wearing the crown. So the crown can be seen on the national flag. And actually the crown belongs to Ismail Samani, who is the founder of the ancient Tajik state. Please have a look on these people, and I have a question for you. Can you guess which country they are from?
From Oleg's country.
Anyone?
ChatGPT photo.
Okay. So you're right, they're from Tajikistan, yeah. Actually, I was, and how? So there is a story. I went to the bank in Dushanbe to make an exchange, and I saw a natural blonde couple with deep blue eyes, and I was amazed by their experience. So I asked them, where are you guys from? And they said, we are Pamirians from Tajikistan. That was shock number two for me. And how it comes that they look like Europeans. So this answer lies deep in history. So Alexander Macedonian, conquered many lands, but he failed to conquer Pamirians. Instead, he married Pamirian princess Roxana. And a part of Alexander's army remained in Pamir. So there is a belief that Pamirians look like this because of Alexander and his soldiers. Okay, here is the biggest mosque, the biggest Chaykhana, tea house, and the biggest library. So can you guess where they're all located? Yeah, that's right. So that, for me, that was shock number three, because the biggest mosque, library, and the Chaykhana were located in Central Asia, were located in Dushanbe. That was shock number three. So I went to these biggest mosque, and I was surprised that no people allowed to enter ground hall and pray there. So instead, people pray somewhere in the backyard. And as an exception, I was allowed to enter Grand Hall for the 5 minutes. So as you can see, there's a beautiful entourage, but with no single person inside. So I didn't find the answer why to build such a big mosque and not to allow people to use it and pray. So we Kazakhs are famous for our hospitality, and as a foreigner, I experienced hospitality of Tajik people. So here's the story. I went to the Iskandar Kul. It's a beautiful lake named after Alexander Macedonian. So we were traveling through mountains by car, and our car broke. So it was no people around. Night was approaching, and we got very hungry. Suddenly, old man appeared on the horse wagon, and he was a poor farmer, but still he invited us to his house. And he gave us cheese and bread, and their taste was so delicious for me. And I felt that I'm eating the greatest food in my life. Why? Because old farmer literally saved our lives. So I experienced how hospitable Tajik people can be. And to conclude, by sharing with you my personal stories, I want to encourage you to travel not to fancy countries or destinations. Try to travel to our neighbors. Maybe you can be amazed by the look of some people, as I did with Familians. Maybe you will be allowed to enter a private place, as I did in the mosque. Maybe you will feel the hospitality of the people, as I did with local farmer. Thank you.